All 4 pieces of a Pokémon V Union have the same name, so you can only have a total of 4 pieces with that name, not 4 of each individual piece. All 4 copies of a Pokémon V Union in your deck must be part of the same set and illustrated by the same artist. To play a V Union, all 4 pieces must be in your discard pile. Remove them from your discard and put them on your bench, arranged like a giant card. You must play all the pieces at the same time. You may not play just 1 or 2. A Pokémon V Union only takes up 1 bench spot and can only have 1 Pokémon tool attached to it. Each Pokémon V Union may only be played once per game per Pokémon name. Pokémon V Union are not basic Pokémon, thus you cannot play them as your active or benched Pokémon during setup. Also, you must include at least 1 basic Pokémon in your deck if you only have Pokémon V Union in it. Pokémon V Union are not evolution cards. Pokémon V Union have their own unique stage called V Union. Cards or effects that refer to basic, Stage 1, Stage 2, or evolution don't affect Pokémon V Union. Cards that affect unevolved Pokémon will affect Pokémon V Union. When a Pokémon V Union is in play, the set of 4 cards is treated as 1 card. When those cards are anywhere else, like in your hand, your deck, your discard pile, or your prize cards, each card is treated as 1 separate card. The only characteristics that can be referenced on any individual piece are types, like water, category, like Pokémon, and the card name. Characteristics such as attacks, abilities, HP, retreat cost, weakness, or resistance cannot be referenced to any individual card piece. V Union Pokémon give up 3 prize cards when knocked out. Pokémon V Union are still considered Pokémon V, and they fall into the category of Pokémon with a rule box while in play. If a stadium in play removes abilities from Pokémon with a rule box, then your Pokémon V Union will be affected and no longer have access to any of its abilities while in play. When not in play, individual Pokémon V Union pieces are not considered Pokémon with a rule box.